Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of hidden treasures as we explore the four most expensive, even in good or worn condition. These seemingly ordinary coins could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars today. So before you spend that old coin, stick around because you might just be holding a fortune in your hands. The year 2009 holds a special place in American coin history. It marked not just another minting of the humble 1-cent coin, but a celebration of one of the greatest figures in U.S. history, President Abraham Lincoln. This wasn't an ordinary penny. The 2009 Lincoln cent was issued to honor the 200th anniversary of Lincoln's birth and the 100th anniversary of the Lincoln cent series that began in 1909. For collectors, historians, and dreamers alike, this coin is a symbol of legacy, leadership, and the enduring power of history pressed into copper. Unlike regular coins that come and go unnoticed in everyday change, the 2009 penny stands out because it tells a story for different stories. The U.S. Mint decided to release 4 separate reverse designs, each representing a different chapter of Lincoln's life. From his humble beginnings in Kentucky to his days as a lawyer in Illinois, then his political journey, and finally his presidency in Washington, D.C., every version carries a piece of America's heart and a piece of Lincoln's unbreakable spirit. The first design, called Birth and Early Childhood in Kentucky, shows a small log cabin, a powerful symbol of Lincoln's modest start in life. It reminds every American that greatness doesn't come from wealth or privilege, but from hard work and determination. This coin whispers a message to its holder: no dream is too big, no beginning too small. It's not just a coin, it's an echo of the American dream. The second design, known as Formative Years in Indiana, captures a young Lincoln sitting on a log, book in one hand and tools at his feet. It symbolizes his thirst for knowledge and the balance between physical labor and mental growth. This version of the 2009 cent feels almost alive, as if it carries the restless energy of a young mind ready to shape the world. For collectors, finding this coin in good condition feels like discovering a spark of Lincoln's own genius frozen in metal. Next came the Professional Life in Illinois design, showing Lincoln standing before the Illinois state capitol. This coin honors his rise from lawyer to statesman, a man who built his destiny step by step. It's a coin that radiates pride and dignity, a reminder that perseverance can carve a name into history itself. When you hold this penny, it's as though you're holding a moment when an ordinary man transformed into a national leader. The fourth and final design is Presidency in Washington, D.C., showing the unfinished U.S. Capitol dome, a brilliant metaphor for a nation still under construction. Lincoln's presidency was a time of struggle and vision, and this coin captures both. The dome under construction represents hope, progress, and the courage to lead through storms. Many believe this design is one of the most symbolic in U.S. coin history. It's the image of a country growing, healing, and becoming stronger. Each of these 4 coins was minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, with their respective mint marks P, D, and S. The San Francisco versions were proof coins, shining like mirrors, produced for collectors. The ones marked P and D were made for circulation, often found in change, but now becoming increasingly rare in pristine condition. The coins were made from copper-plated zinc, a blend that keeps their iconic red shine but also makes them vulnerable to wear over time, which is why good-condition coins are now more desirable. Now here's where things get truly fascinating. While most 2009 pennies are common, a few rare variations and mint errors exist: double dies, off-center strikes, and unplated zinc pieces. These rare errors are the hidden treasures of the series. Collectors have paid hundreds, even thousands of dollars, for error coins that show small minting mistakes invisible to the untrained eye. That's the beauty of numismatics. Sometimes, what looks ordinary can turn out to be extraordinary. The true magic of the 2009 Lincoln cent isn't just its rarity or value, it's its story. It's a time capsule that captures 200 years of progress since Lincoln's birth and reminds us of the values he stood for: equality, perseverance, and unity. Every scratch, every shine on these coins tells its own story, from the minting presses to the palms of people across generations. It's not just a piece of metal, it's a symbol of how far America has come and how one man's vision still guides its heart. And the modern collector's world, the 2009 penny has become a favorite for both beginners and professionals. Its unique designs and historical significance make it a must-have in any coin collection. A full set of all 4 designs in mint condition can fetch impressive prices, and if you happen to hold a rare error coin, you could be sitting on a fortune. But its real worth isn't just in dollars, it's in the legacy it represents. People often underestimate the power of small things, and yet, a single 2009 1-cent coin can awaken curiosity, pride, and passion for history. It connects you with Lincoln's journey, with the struggles of a young America, and with the spirit of resilience that built the nation. Imagine finding one in your collection. It's like discovering a whisper from history, saying, "Keep moving forward, no matter how small the step." So, if you have a 2009 1-cent coin lying in a drawer or jar, look at it closely. It may not glitter like gold, but its story shines brighter than any jewel. In today's collector market, its value may rise beyond imagination, but even beyond money, it carries the power to inspire, to remind, and to connect us with the past. This coin is proof that even the smallest piece of copper can hold the soul of a nation and the spirit of a man who changed history forever.